Well, good morning, everybody. Jesse here with Southern Reels Fishing, and Happy New Year to you. It is actually New Year's Eve today, so I decided to spend it out on the water since I haven't been fishing in a while. And it's pretty good conditions. This whole week leading up to this, it's been warm. Water temperatures are 51.5 degrees right now, which is good, which means I should be able to find some action up on the flats and should be able to catch some fish today. So I'm excited about that. It's going to be a great way to end the year. So it's a little foggy this morning, a little bit cool, but it's going to be a nice day today. And I'm excited to see what I can get into. So wish me some luck. Alrighty. Kind of checked out the deep water. I didn't really see much action in there. So I'm gonna cast up on this flat here. Since it's high tide, it's flooded pretty well. See if maybe there's some fish up in here. Which there appears to be. It's a beautiful morning. Great day to end the year. There we go. That's what I want this morning. Oh, this dude's got some pull to him. Hey, I got him hooked in the tail. Huh. Well, I hooked this one in the tail. No wonder. I started to say he feels weird. A nice little trout to start today. Foul hooked him. I'll catch you down there sleeping, buddy. Well, see ya. Well, decent little catch to start off with. I thought it was way bigger. It's just because I had him foul hooked. Yep, there we go. Put that one in the mouth. Not a nice little keeper. Yep, it's going to be a good day. They're on the flats. That's where I like to see them. This is I prefer catching trout is up on flats like this. Like I said, it's 51.5 right now. That's warm enough for them to be active up on a flat, and they're definitely up here. It's the peak of high tide right now. I think I still got a little bit of current coming in, so they're probably feeding still. Might hit a little bit of a lull when the tide changes though. We'll see. Yep, there we go. Oh, that's a better one. Oh yeah, that's a good one there. Like that faster twitch, didn't you? Easy. That's a nice trout right there. Hey, buddy. Oh, that's a decent one. Definitely some big ones up in here. Thanks for them to assist there, Boots. Oh, damn, hooked him again. Sorry, buddy. Nice trout. Yeah. Sitting right at the mouth of this creek, just chilling. And there's a bunch of fish right here, y'all. I don't know if you can see that sonar feed Right along that grass line up there. That's a lot of trout. Just letting it sink almost to the bottom. About 7 seconds. Twitch. Let it sink. And that's when they pick it up. That's a nice one. God, he inhaled it too. Easy, easy. Oh Lord, I got him. I get him in the gills. Yep, shoot. This one's probably gonna die. I'm sorry, buddy. Well, good luck to you, man. Hopefully it'll clot up on him. Got him that time. Oh, nice one. Fire up here, y'all. Good one. Flippers on this bad boy here. Eh, 23 inches. Not bad. Oh yeah. Thank you, bro. School moved on me a little bit. Sitting a little farther in the mouth of this creek now. Yep. The smallest one I've caught yet today. Little guy there. Coming up. Back over here. Oh yeah, it's not a pretty one. Jesus. Nice one right there. Oh, the purple tail. That's cool. Anyway. Oh, that's a better one. I may have made a mistake leaving the area that I was in. Well, y'all made a little run just to go exploring. Managed to find that fish. was getting ready to turn around and go back, honestly, because I didn't see anything on the sonar. I made a cast and hooked this guy. So, can't complain about that, I guess. There we go. Oh yeah, nice. Nice one, nice. That's all fatty. Nice fatty, man. Just working it really slow. Just off the bottom. Had to count it down about 8 seconds to get it there. Oh, easy. Beautiful fish. Thank you, brother. Right on top of them. I'm just amazed they won't hit soft plastics today. Well, I mean, this is technically a soft plastic, but I can't seem to get them to hit a jig head when I'm shallow. He's like, what the heck happened? Well, y'all's had time to call it a day, and actually a year, pretty much. I couldn't have asked for a better way to end the year. I was hopeful about today, and it was way better than I ever expected. So, thanks for watching. Thanks for joining me this year and all my adventures, and I look forward to 2022 and everything that's to come. And I hope that all of y'all have a good New Year's and a safe New Year. And you probably won't see this until just after New Year's, but it is what it is. Happy New Year, and let's make the best of this year to come. Peace out. See you in the next video.